Wow. 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 Hi, I'm Chris, and I'm new to this homesteading journey. I'm new to this whole thing. Remember last video I told you that this was going to be a trial and error kind of adventure? Well, let me take you back to last year where I failed at some seedlings. So don't do what I did. We failed, but we learned and we tried again. And we didn't let our failings get us down. So let's go back to last year. I decided to move all of the veggies from the greenhouse to outside patio because the greenhouse was getting super hot. If it was maybe 75 out, it would almost be 100. And these are cold crops. Lettuce, we got the radish, carrots were not happy with me, kale, 2 different varieties of lettuce, and spinach. And everything looks okay except, I'm sorry carrots, but it's cooler out here and they do fine. It's a cold crop, so we moved them out here and we put them next to our fossils. We found fossils. Ooh. So, not even kidding you, like 2 minutes ago our power went out, and this happens a lot in the country. No reason, like no storm, I mean, it is a little breezy, but no big deal. So this is another reason why it's like really good to grow your own food and have your own stuff. So I was just about to make tuna sandwiches, which I love, toasted tuna sandwiches, and can't use the toaster now. So we're gonna go out in the backyard and we're gonna pull some lettuce and we're just gonna have some salad. And now for my favorite part, let's paint nature. Let's paint delicate violet flowers.